Introducing the luxurious 2019 Audi A6 Limousine 2.0tdi 204HP ST S-Line in stunning blue. This sophisticated vehicle boasts a powerful 2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, and a sleek saloon body style, packed with comfort and safety features including air conditioning, navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The interior is trimmed with luxury, and the exterior shines with a chrome package. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us or visit audikerry.ie for more information. Invest in luxury. Invest in an Audi A6.